Hello, my people. How una dey from Untouchable Mama? I greet everybody. Una do well. As una take dey help me take dey share the video. As una take dey like, comment. God go really bless everybody. I just want quick show una this video about the daughter of Ada Jesus. So the man talk many things. So as people dey call am, they ask for Ada Jesus, how his situation. The man talk many things like that. As people they bring even food, people even volunteer to do this wetin dem this say dem say na kidney problem that get. That is some of them we dey think about say na kidney, but we never know. So the man not even confirm am. So even people, if they volunteer say dem wan do a donation, so but we never know wetin dey go on. I'll put the video more just lis ten to wetin the man talk. Thank God for Ada Jesus.
All right, good morning. How you guys doing? All right, so a lot of people have reaching out to me on my DM, also phone call, that they want to volunteer their kidney freely to Mesoma. Right, thank you, I appreciate you so much. God bless you. But for now, we don't know if she needs a transplant or she needs a repair. All right, so this week we are going to update it on the platform and see where everybody will come in to see how we can to help her to assist her. So for now, nobody have called for any donation or any kidney transplant from or anything. Right, so thank you very much. A lot of friends reached out yesterday. They came to Abuja, they met me, they brought food to the hospital because we've been here for the past 3 days now. We've been in Abuja. A lot of people have offered food, bringing food, also clothing, some fruits and rest of them too. So if you're in Abuja too, you can still just try and link up together. We work and see how we can be able to to do this together. All right. So thank you very much for you coming up yesterday to bring food, cook food for us and delicious meal we ate yesterday. Thank you. Also for the fruit too, the apple, the pineapple, the pawpaw, everything. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right. Again, so someone offered to stay with her. She gets better. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. But for now, we're not going to make any statement again further on her health till we get a headway. All right. So from now upwards, we're going to limit about her to the public till we get a headway. All right. Headway means till we know we move what we are doing, if she needs a transplant or she needs a repair. So these are some of the things too. So from now, we will not get any update about that from my page. All right. But if by tomorrow we get the headway, I will still update. All right. So please, if you see Chimak, help me appreciate him too for his support. At the earlier stage, what we said was all she needed was medical care, and that's what she's getting now. That is why we left our comfort zone to see how we can support her, to see how we can be with her, supporting her, and also making sure she gets all support she needs right now. Now, I know she has been vocal on Facebook, social media. A lot of people are using that against her in the past, what she has done in the past, alright? Attacking people on social media and rest of them. Please, I think this is time for us to leave that behind us, and support her. The sick person should be supported, no matter what. Because we don't know, nobody knows tomorrow, nobody knows it's going to be me tomorrow. Because me personally, I don't do some things, but I never attack anybody anyway on social media or even in face. I've not done that to anybody. that should, beside that, we should learn how to forgive people when they err, and also support them too. It's like a second chance now, to give her a second chance now. If you watched last week, people have been attacking her. Now what did she do? Now ain't cause harm, But if you watch out on my page, you don't see any insults against her on my page. I make sure you don't insult her on my page. If you want to insult her, you can do that, post on your wall and insult her and do whatever. But everybody needs a second chance. Everybody needs a life back, and that's what we are trying to do. Alright? Okay. So please, if you feel like insulting anybody, anything, just do a post on your wall and insult the person, attack the person, but not on my wall. If I post about anybody and you come to the person's comment, or anybody make a comment about anything and you come to attack the person on my own wall, I'm going to screenshot your comments, screenshot your page, and then publish for people to see it too, and then attack you back too. It's going to be a back-to-back. All right, so please, let's learn to forgive and move on. All right, and see how we're able to pull through together and push strong. So by this time next year, we'll be thanking God for everything. All right, so that's the thing. So please, if you're in Abuja, try and link up. All right, my WhatsApp number is on my page there. Link up with me and let's do this together for her. All right, let's do it together. Let's do it for God. People should be watching. It's just a drive. They don't go see you.